Welcome you all to today's class, children. This is Spoken English lesson 74. Very happy to welcome you all to today's class. In this class you are going to learn some daily usage sentences. The first sentence: when you see many person in a family, and you can say the elderly people as the eldest. For example, in this picture, Ram is the eldest one of the family, or Ram is the eldest one of his family, or Ram is the eldest son of his family. Okay children, let us move on to the next one. When you see middle-aged person, to mention the middle-aged person, you can say he is the middle one of his family. He is the middle one of his family. For example, Ravi is the middle one of his family. Ravi is the middle one of his family means he is the middle son of his family. For example, if there are 3 sons, he is the middle son, which means second son. Okay. Ravi is the middle one of the family. Let us move on to the next one. When you see the person who is younger than everyone, you can mention the person with the youngest one. For example, here Kumar is the youngest son of his family. Kumar is the youngest son of his family. Okay children, let us move on to the next one. When we are talking with our friend sometimes may not express his thoughts well. He may talking something indirectly, or if he is expecting some help from us, he may not ask the help directly. He may hesitate to speak something. So, you can say, don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush means don't talk anything else. You just come to the matter directly. Okay. Don't talk anything else unwantedly. You just say the thing what you want to say directly. Okay. So, you can say the phrase, don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. Okay children, let us move on to the next one. The next sentence is, sometimes children may cry for fun. They do not cry seriously. So we can say, don't shed crocodile tears. You know that a crocodile won't shed tears. To cheat someone, some people may act or shed tears, where you can say, don't shed crocodile tears. Okay children, let us move on to the next one. You might have seen some people are talking that they know everything. When you see such kind of people, you can say them directly, don't talk as if you know everything. Don't talk as if you know everything. Okay. So some people may think that they know everything. They may talk continuously. They may talk unwantedly. They may irritate the people. So when you see such kind of people, you can say, don't talk that as if you know everything. Okay. The next one, it is an appreciation phrase. When someone is saying something at right time, you can say the person as, there you are. There you are. When someone is giving an idea at the right time, you can say, there you are. Okay. When someone is achieving something, you can say, there you are. You can appreciate them with these phrases, there you are. Okay. Okay children, let us move on to the next one. When we are in an argument, we will argue in our point of view, and the opponent may argue in their point of view. So, when you argue in your point of view, you can say, I know what is right and what is wrong. I know what's right and what's wrong. Okay. I know what's right and what's wrong. You don't please advise me. You stop advising me. I know what to do. Okay. So you can say these sentences, children. Hope you understand. Let us meet in the next class with some phrases. Until, be safe and be happy. Thank you. Goodbye.